أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولما سكت عن موسى الغضب أخذ الألواح وفي نسختها هدى ورحمة للذين هم لربهم يرهبون.
When the anger abated in Moses, he took up the tablets. In their transcript is guidance and mercy for those in awe of their Lord.
واختار موسى قومه 70 رجلا لميقاتنا فلما أخذتهم الرجفة قال رب لو شئت أهلكتهم من قبل وإياي أتهلكنا بما فعل السفهاء منا إن هي إلا فتنتك تضل بها من تشاء وتهدي من تشاء أنت ولينا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الغافرين.
And Moses chose from his people 70 men for our appointment. When the tremor shook them, he said, My Lord, had you willed, you could have destroyed them before, and me too. Will you destroy us for what the fools among us have done? This is but your test, with it you misguide whomever you will, and guide whomever you will. You are our protector, so forgive us, and have mercy on us. You are the best of forgivers.
واكتب لنا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة إنا هدنا إليك قال عذابي أصيب به من أشاء ورحمتي وسعت كل شيء فسأكتبها للذين يتقون ويؤتون الزكاة والذين هم بآياتنا يؤمنون.
And inscribe for us goodness in this world, and in the hereafter. We have turned to you. He said, My punishment, I inflict it upon whomever I will, but my mercy encompasses all things. I will specify it for those who act righteously and practice regular charity, and those who believe in our signs.